Good day to all employers in Hong Kong. My name is Myrna Elpiad from Philippines. I'm 29 years old. I'm a single parent. I have one daughter. She's 5 years old. My highest educational attainment is high school graduate. I work as a housemaid in here, Philippines for 2 years. And I have served 4 members of the family, including 2 children aged 7 years old and 3 years old. My duties are taking of the kids, preparing and cooking the meal, washing the dishes, doing the grocery shopping, and many more. I like to work Hong Kong because I want to earn money for my family needs and to heal savings for my kid. To my future employer, please hire me as your helper because I'm a loyal, trustworthy, and I'm a working woman. I promise to do all my duties and responsibility. Thank you, and I am looking forward to work with you as soon as possible.